subscribe our channel and press the bell icon and never miss any update from popbollywood.com.
Hi,
सबसे पहले तो
I'm good. How are you?
कॉन्ग्रेचुलेशन फाइन सबसे पहले तो कॉन्ग्रेचुलेशन फॉर मिर्जापुर 2 एंड
Thank
जानना
you.
चाहेंगे कि किस तरीके का कैरेक्टर है आपका, क्या रोल है आपका, कितना चैलेंजिंग था वो सब.
Right. So I play Radhya in Mirzapur and in Mirzapur 1 and 2. And she is the maid of the Tripathi family. And she's close to Beena, which is played by Rasika Duggal. So the character has gone through a lot of physical abuse and goes through it in both the seasons. And that's what interested me to play her because I just wanted to kind of highlight the pain that a person who's been abused or a character of abuse goes through. And yeah, that's my character in Mirzapur. And the most interesting thing about Radhya is that she's a fly on the wall and she is almost like an ant, like you don't notice her till you notice her. And that is such an interesting thing for me to play because I'm totally opposite of that in life. So I just love having to be so invisible and having to kind of embody her thoughts, the way she walks, the way she talks. You know, she never brings attention to herself.
सो
So
इस
that's my character.
सो कितना प्रिपरेशंस, किस तरीके की प्रिपरेशंस थी आपकी, क्योंकि आपके रियल लाइफ से ये कैरेक्टर बहुत ज़्यादा ही अलग है एंड बहुत ही ज़्यादा बोल्ड चैलेंजिंग कैरेक्टर है. सो उसके बारे में बात करेंगे तो कितना मतलब किस तरीके की आपकी प्रिपरेशन थी.
So for me, any character that I work on is a school of acting because for every character, I have to approach it in a very different way. With Radhya, it was difficult because there were not many scenes in the first episode, in the first season, but I still had to give her, you know, a realness and a depth. So I remember I met the writer Puneet Krishnan, and he and I sat down and spoke about Radhya in length. And I remember I walked in a cafe with him, and I had a notebook full of notes and even characters, all of that. And I was so excited to like see what the writer had thought. And what was so amazing is that Puneet had really thought about her. And then together we brainstormed, and the character we came up with for Radhya and the way I play her is what people see today. But this was done in a cafe full of my notes. I was just fresh out of film school when I got the character, got the role in the first season. In fact, people don't know this, but Radhya was supposed to be killed off in the first season, and we even shot that scene. And the scene was removed, and then I was put in the second season. And I'm so glad that I was because we can now explore Radhya's life even more.
तो फर्स्ट सीजन में शूट करना कितना अलग था एंड सेकंड सीजन की बात करें तो वो आपको लिए कितना ज़्यादा चैलेंजिंग था.
I mean, I had done my homework, so it, of course, it's very challenging to play her, but it's also very humiliating. I mean, it's it's very humbling to play her, you know. And the challenges in the first one was, of course, the scenes were very violent. They were very physically driven, and I'm so glad that I got a brilliant co-actor like Devendu, who was so professional and so giving as a co-actor that we could really make those scenes come to light and make it look like this is really happening, and really focus on the pain of what a person who goes through those circumstances really feels at that time, you know. And in the second season, where I am a fly on the wall, as I like to call myself, it's very interesting because Radhya is around everything that's happening. Like she, you don't know how much she knows, and that's something I would love to leave to the audience's imagination. But the most interesting thing is that I'm always there, but I'm not. You don't know what I'm thinking. You don't know what I know, what I don't know, who's a bad guy in my head and who's a good guy in my head. And so I think she's very mysterious, and I love that about her. Yeah.
अब बात करते हैं एक्सपीरियंस की, तो कैसा रहा एक्सपीरियंस आपको आपका डायरेक्टर के साथ में काम करने का, क्योंकि आप फर्स्ट सीजन से लेकर या सेकंड सीजन में भी आपका जो कैरेक्टर जिस तरीके से चेंज हुआ, तो कैसा रहा पूरा एक्सपीरियंस डायरेक्टर के साथ में आपका?
It was brilliant. Like Guru is so good. Even Karan in the first season and then Guru in the second. Like they are just so fantastic as directors. And even though my character was small and had few scenes, every time I needed to ask them questions, every time I needed to talk about a scene with them, they were with me. There's so many things we improvised with Radia that people don't know about, and they were always open to taking my feedback and working with it. So I mean, they're fantastic directors. I couldn't have asked for anything better.
How was the experience working with the co-stars of yours?
See, as one of the youngest and a newcomer, like for me, every actor on that show is a school of acting. Like I see Pankaj Tripathi, I see Devendu, and I see Rasika, and these guys are brilliant. Like they are so good at what they do. And every time I look at them, I'm learning so much. Even like just how you carry yourself on set, and your demeanor or the way they are, and then when they really do a scene with you, it's fantastic. And I'm so lucky to have learned from these people at this age.
तो लाइक सेट पे ऐसा कौन सा मेमोरी था, या फिर पूरा मिर्जापुर 2 सीरीज में आपका ऐसा कौन सा फेवरेट सीन है जो आपको करने में बहुत ज़्यादा मज़ा आया, एंड ऐसा कौन सा सीन था जो बहुत ही ज़्यादा टफ था आपके लिए?
But the scene I really enjoy doing is the killing scene when I get the knife. And it was also the toughest scene because I couldn't just be, evil about it. It was in that one line that I have, Waqt Zyada Lagega, it has to show a range of pain that Radhya has been through in season 1 and season 2, and I had one line to do it. So for me, to get the knife and to do it in that way was very challenging. But and I underplayed it. I didn't like go like isse aake maro or something. It was very subtle, and that. But to bring out the pain at the same time was challenging, and it was so much fun doing that. So much fun, yeah.
ऐसी कोई बेस्ट मेमोरी सेट पे जो कुछ फनी मेमोरी हो जो आप हमारे साथ में शेयर करना चाहें?
Uh, when we did that scene where Bauji is उनको मिर्ची दे देते हैं हम और हम किचन में रसिका एंड मी आई मीन we kept laughing uh, you know while we were shooting that scene, and it was just a really funny and weird moment in the show as well. So that is one of the funniest moments we've had together.
अब बात करते हैं थोड़ी-सी हटके रियलिटी शो की, तो इस वक़्त बिग बॉस बहुत ज़्यादा चल रहा है, तो क्या कहना चाहेंगे? आप फ़ॉलो कर रही हैं बिग बॉस इस सीज़न को?
No, I'm sorry, मैं बिग बॉस फॉलो ज्यादा नहीं कर रही हूँ. I know I know the concept of the show, and I know, but since the pandemic, I've just been focusing a lot on myself and my well-being. So I've not been up to date with the reality shows. Yeah.
आपकी कैरेक्टर की बात करते हैं, तो आपकी कैरेक्टर को सोशल मीडिया पर इतना ज़्यादा एप्रिशिएट किया गया है, ऑडियंस इसे इतना ज़्यादा पसंद कर रही है, तो कुछ माइंड में ऐसा थॉट था कि इतना ज़्यादा लव मिलेगा ऑडियंस का?
नहीं, मेरे को तो कोई भी आइडिया नहीं था. Like I was traveling, and then my social media started blowing up, and मेरे ऊपर memes बनने लग गए, and I love memes. So even though the joke was on me, like I was laughing and sharing them left, right, and center because it was so enjoyable, and it's so lovely to be recognized for your work. You know, I think I don't know about every actor, but it's my dream to be recognized for my work, and it it feels very very good, and I can't believe that a character who is that small in such a big show is receiving so much love and appreciation and feedback. Like I it's unreal, and it's very very exciting. Yeah.
शूटिंग की बात करते थे, लॉकडाउन से पहले जो शूट होते थे वो एकदम ही अलग तरीके से थे, बट अब बहुत ही ज्यादा प्रिकॉशंस के साथ में काम करना पड़ता है। कम लिमिटेड यहाँ पे सेट पे भी लोग रहते हैं, तो कितना चैलेंजिंग था इस सिचुएशन में काम करना।
Mirzapur was shot before the lockdown. I have I have done. I mean, my scenes were shot before the lockdown. But I've done another show, and हमने बनारस में भी shooting की उसकी, and it's difficult because we have to be so careful, and there's very limited the crew and everything. And actually, for me, it's very exciting because it's going back to film school and independent filmmaking, where small crew, small everything, and it's you just going after it. So it's very nice.
तो मिर्जापुर के बाद
Enjoy
में
it.
तो फिर मिर्जापुर के 2 के बाद में अब हम आपको कहाँ देख सकते हैं? कि बहुत सारे लोग बहुत एक्साइटेड है आपकी प्रोजेक्ट्स को जानने के लिए।
So I'm doing a show called Fallen with Tiger Baby Films, and usme again my character is very different from what I've done in Mirzapur. And on Diwali, my next show is releasing called Bichuka KL, which is Z5 and all Balaji, and directed by Ashish Shukla. So I play Zishan Gadri's wife Poonam, and that's again a very different character. So aap Diwali pe dekhna.
दिवाली आ रहा है तो किस तरीके की प्रिपरेशन मतलब कर रहे हैं? क्योंकि इस बार कोविड भी है एंड बहुत सारी चीजें हम क्रैकर्स नहीं जला सकते, तो इस बार किस तरीके की दिवाली आप मनाएंगे?
मेरी दिवाली तो मेरे माँ बाप के साथ बनती है हर साल। सो आई गो बैक होम और हम बहुत ही क्वाइट दिवाली सेलिब्रेट करते हैं। आई डोंट बर्स्ट क्रैकर्स, आई डोंट लाइक पोल्यूटिंग द एनवायरनमेंट। सो हम बहुत ही शांति से दिवाली सेलिब्रेट करते हैं। वी डोनेट to the Anath ashram that is there in near my house, and my mother cooks amazing food, and I eat all day. I eat like 10 meals a day, and that's Diwali for me, to just celebrate, to spend time, to spend quality time with my family. Yeah.
लास्टली अपने फैंस को क्या कहना चाहेंगी आप?
I just love to say thank you, and thank you for giving me so much love, and for appreciating what I do, because I really love what I do, and to be appreciated and loved for that is a dream. So thank you.
Thank you for joining us. Hello?
Thank you so much, Sonu.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Subscribe our channel and press the bell icon and never miss any update from popbollywood.com.